wo de unsro hwe baby abewura ho wani adin faka ne kwa Akwatia se mekoye gay wobetuma Akwatia ye din ne tare dan ho menkasa hwebi woye kin wufundaka ene de bebra Akwatia betam wodo abefie enti wadwina so NPP ni una wotenkan keka nkwase asem una wotenkan so jagum wo de Akwatia ne time rudu a faka ne bra Akwatia. I really appreciate you being here tonight. Now, mommy amfa dwuma de ne enhyehyɛ so na yendwudwum ema Ghana for ehu no kure no. Eya Akwatia by election no eba so very soon. And the Ghana Police Service and a political parties via for now omunyina be involved e was by elections mu no a meeting. Now police for say omo ebema police for nkwa 5,000 Akwatia akoye den akobo election ho ban. As we know, no, the Ghana Police Service is making or taking steps to make sure Akwatia by election no be very peaceful. And I think it's in the right direction. The Ghana Police Service, decision we're taking. We need a lot of police in the system. We need a lot of police to make sure that there's peace and also election are free flowing and also peaceful. I believe the IGP has basically done his part as the head of the police service. And we expect the political parties to also, at the end of the day, adhere to the rules and regulations. They their election way buying. It is simple as that. The police are in charge of security. And I believe, say Nipebia call say Okubum Raswa, the Ghana Police Service is equipped enough to stop anybody, any person, groups who try. And I say, Oboba try say, Ombema election when you biabim. I believe in the police service. I trust in the leadership of the Ghana, the IGP. And I expect every political party in Ghana, and another political party, they are going to be involved in this election to also trust the police. So political party be a problem with the Ghana Police Service, bringing in 5,000 policemen to stop thugs from disrupting the elections. Now, political party, no, and I already said they want to go to Akwatia and cause mayhem. Matisse NPP for say, they don't trust the Ghana Police Service. Say, Omube to me, ama Ghana for protection. Akwatia. Remember, Abane Akwatia Akwatia no. It is not for only NPP for. And your NPP for nkwane Akwatia. Your Ghanaians be ho mon toaba. Amoso Akwatia. Your Ghana for bo how many NDC and NPP. Amoso Akwatia. Ain't for an NPP person to think say Akwatia by election no, the protection should be only about the NPP. No, that person, with all due respect, is foolish. The Ghana Police Service is there to protect Ghanaians. So as far as they are in Akwatia protecting or providing security, no, it covers every single citizen in Akwatia. And to the NPP as a political party, no, to come out to say they don't trust the police, and that what happened at Ablekuma North, you know, so police for no end to end dealing with Ablekuma North issue now. What happened in Ablekuma North? There was nobody in NDC uniform, and I said there was nobody standing there with NDC card to say me NDC and I fought. The police is investigating. So far, Obiamba Bontin Beka say, Sani Pawe or your MPP ni ya won NDC hospital into a NDC ni. The people who were having issues at Ablekuma North, no, we didn't see anybody wearing NDC uniform and colors and holding NDC card to say, where NDC ni, where MPP ni. That is why there is an investigation of police ABA. And for the MPP to say, so Ablekuma North issue, no, so police in survey they cannot go into election, by election Akwatia. It means say, Oma from Wajuni say, Akronfo no mudi ba Ablekuma North, no, they want to send those thugs to Akwatia. Say if the Ghana Police Service, any group of people, from say they are for a political party, thugs, they should gun them down. Say thugs biya you omoti Akwatia. Irrespective of the political party they are with. I don't care. Say thugs be Akwatia, whether they are MPPO, whether they are NDCO, whether they are CPPO, baby omu free biano. Baby sanko for the free biano. Say police detectives say omu ya thugs. Omu did the people of Akwatia, omu life, ebe diagro, eba kosi chaos ni mayhem bia. The Ghana Police Service should put them down. Because right now we have seen some before. Near to Kromha, 2020 elections. Ya man for tuo, and omu bo Ghana for innocent be to ekuomu. And the MPP, Brian Champon, Ayawaso West Wagon, or Sisa criminals or dear Tuosho Munsem. We are lucky today. We have a Ghana Police Service. Omakacha say they are sending their men, meaning the Ghana government, the security agency, the Ghana Police Service, so they want to protect the people of Akwatia. Inti, so obi ba Akwatia, na so no so a macho man, or no so party binti no baye, or no so obe cause mayhem, or ni obi beku obe tata ni pebia. The Ghana Police Service should protect the people of Akwatia by nullifying those people, because we want Akwatia people to be protected. Inti, if the NPP as a political party, Adjuni almost say they are going to bring thugs to Akwatia. Almost until Fruda can see castle near Munko. So when Jimmy, now Adjuni will say, would you mule or your chain and Tokosi NPP mua, one year dobeko, would you Jimmy, that's also when this mu in Tokosia or dobekwa. So oh kwa yanto that can count because the police needs to nullify any group of people. The police is their job to protect Ghanaians. It's their job to protect NPP, NDC, CPP, KOKO. It is the job of the Ghana Police Service. In this political party, that's how they also win the police in the now who they call for baba. Who the omo bano now to funda ka twaso because you be ho. We are going to protect Ghanaians. It is not about any political party. It's about making sure the right things are done. In this NPP, this win the police in the that's almost fine. But some member, that's some of the tax beba. The Ghana Police Service should stand by. Omuya ki, munya kiki. Kwasi afutuo. Na muji say Akwatia na NPP dia. And na muji say Ghana no NPP dia. And so this is very clear and fair. We want to have free, fair, clear elections at Akwatia. So be free and crying. No ya no so bema. No bananti na Akwatia. Na obekosi chaos bia mumbono. Yampeso bi hu beka because 2020 near wa ha na NPP aban ekofa galamsey for the etuo hye omunsem eko bonko fotuo what Techiman South near tikrom ha enam ka kire say oh na Techiman fo no eko ye hu say Techiman fo anya hwe en so asema NPP fo kan ye omno kodi ewu no ya ntena ho ema kwase bi mbeka nkire ye say na Akwatia fo no Akwatia fo ye peaceful people so far. Akwatia for election abobia tuokuno. It is for what we know now. No, Akwatia is a peaceful place. The people there are peaceful people. They don't want because of by-election. Kwasiebia bekuobi. It is all room. Now we are watching say cause chaos. I will say you nullify near you free because we need to protect Nkwara Emrewan Penifo and Mbabawa Omo Akwatia. And your political ambition on Kwasia party binti and I'll cause chaos Akwatia. Into the Ghana Police Service is right. The Ghana Police Service say NPP ni so munjimundi na so omo ade omo tax beba. The Ghana Police Service should stand by and wait. So also your bearman out here Accra. Na so na okasama NPP. Now we are bearman we near din kwa Akwatia. Me say. So also your bearman na so wona sebio we are bearman una ho din. Una we are bearman we near din. Akwatia ya faka ne kobi. Na hwese bema wa Akwatia za bema ni Akwatia. Una also wokasama NPP una we near ding, una ho ding. Una otentam na de. Una yese wo de, wo ye gangalia. Wo ye bema fa moto, anasa faka, ana tuka sa wo kwa Akwatia. Na hwe de besi. Trap na. Wo de wo ye bema, wo so na ho ding, una we near ding. Wo de unsro hwe. Baby abewura ho. When you ding faka ne kwa Akwatia se mekoye gay ubetuma kwa Akwatia ye ding na tara down men kasa hwebi uye kin ufundaka ene de bebra Akwatia betam wodo abefie enti wadwina so NPP ni una otinkan keka nkwase asem una otinkan so jagum wo de Akwatia ne time rudu a faka ne bra Akwatia konkonsani town de ene de bewom bibian si de bewom Bibiani what they be, but seriously, say sometimes not now. Now we tie the NPP, some of their communicators in Sembio Mutumika with confidence and how they are able to. Sometimes I don't person Ghana 40 BBA say. Me mean chiri NPP for Jimmy no mo Jimmy, and then a problem with them. I don't hate them as humans. Omwe Jimmy, and then they biana a hame ewo. They are naturally born foolish. I know be talk to Kevin there or time MPP. I didn't know me time MPP. A mumwano monkey, you see the monkey in them. The monkey in them, no. And then a problem with the NPP, no. The way and they just see everyone to be stupid. Then they lie. They just lie. And they think, say, it is part of them, so it should be part of us. That is my problem with the NPP. On say, Jimina a woman, how they don't respect the intelligence of other people, no. And then mommy sometimes me show me say, your inner monkeys, no, their inner monkeys, no, a woman, no. That is what makes me not to like them as a people. But hatred, their entire mo. But their inner monkey is all about lies. So sometimes into a communicator like this, yet Ghana 2023, 2024, like 2020, 2021, Ghana technology, we can do research, we can Google stuff and find out. We can basically go out there and witness for ourselves. Say, we live in the country. Every part of Ghana, Nipatawo. It is when people sit on TV and on radio. Now I'm from NPP 4. I will say a can't send me a yatro, but we still want the people to believe it. And none of that part of me is so now. This is an old video, but when you see the confidence, this young raccoon or a raccoon in TV, because this raccoon sitting on Wontumi TV video where I check, but when you look at the confidence, or exhibiting the highest form of stupidity, exhibiting his inner monkey. That is the lie. As an NPP communicator, you sometimes ask yourself, say, have they changed or they are still doing the same thing? This is old, but share the eagerness, the confidence in exhibiting the inner monkey. Share, and then a problem with the NPP, no.
Seriously. Yeah, but it treat nothing so TV face deshe. Europe, UK, Holland, I don't mean take friends from near the and check cry. Then another difference also no, but me also the friends soon I say. The
Eurostar.
Eurostar, yes. Yeah.
From London to France.
Me no can see I can't know we. Yes, companies use yes, plane, I train no. A bit of South Africa, and check the Babu. From Kumasi to Accra, you use 1 hour 30 minutes. If you put my trip Kumasi, I have Juma Accra. That is the plan. I ask a contract, Masha say manufacture trains near the Babu. Next year, Kumasi the Flakraban, a sober. These are things I
like when you see the confidence, or the Kikankwasi some way. Sometimes no me, I'm sure more me, but someone say, na NPP for nankasa mo Ghana for say, yenye nipa na. Hwe nipa fibio. And on my area party, this is old, but sometimes you need to step back and ask yourself, say, na sa party we mumway, how did they see us? How do they see Ghanaians? You see the confidence. And the whole regional chairman Wontumi Eteho is supporting him. You be trade a free crime. You defense you so deche. Ahimfo tie no. Asofo tie. Sebio ba no susumina so. Na eye asante him na time na onyan wuye. Na oti radio hu tie. Na ahimfo akese. Na asofo impenifo etie na abrantie we tit radio so in the name of me MPP ni na o chatro. And the confidence in the lies. Train deche the ife wiema free Kumasi. And nam wiema ba bedrun kran. Na na de nam soro. Na ba omi aso be ye ba akwatu asase ase. Na ye da ho tia. Now these are some of the things I also a Ghana near Otna Obusa who say why should anybody even listen to this group of monkeys? Yes, because Nipana or Kasano say Obugana Nina or Kasachenana. Onim say what he's saying is not realistic. It is not there. Abaning yet. So why would somebody wear a shiny suit to come sit on a dirty, filthy, stinking radio station to basically lie to his own people? because asem na oka no abranti oya santini ba wedi bofuro enkwan ahwease abetena asantimemu radio so enim se ne nananom impenifo tie e wo se omunya bibia ombewu se omasom gidie na abrantie sei. So sometimes you ask yourself, the young people in the NPP, what did they learn? That confidence to lie. It is because the inner monkey of the party is lies. The party dwells. The party was built or carved out of lies. So you saw the confidence. And as I train them, a free kumasi ko in Krane Wayne. The naba umia any ekufuado ni Kennedy mode fa form no ewen. These are the things. And you see, they say they are still doing the same thing. Almost the same. They are still doing the same thing. The President of the Republic of Ghana, Endra F for commercial flights at the core. Akwentium se okodi jumama Ghana commercial flight which anyone can check. The presidency, they released an official statement stating the presidency did not lie. Presidency na encantro ankotete say Mr. President fakuti kwambi suneko. The presidency kachire say President na for Emirates Airlines or the kosia twaso akwa. And still these people, because they feel say that is the problem with the NPP. That is the problem with the NPP. Their inner monkey is lie. Sa lies na ewo mumuno. Sa atrono. Sa NPP jimina adokuro mono. Ene na ama Ghana ne chichiriye from Kwame Nkrumah time abedu hano ayading. And internet today they don't look attractive to even a pig because there's no truth. There's no truth anyway. And tienda adiabechi yen nyina ebe who's a president for commercial flight. Inti right now where is the angle? Angle be no munko. Okay, they see ani yenka say why am the president in the two kwine? Then you ask yourself, are these humans or they are some piece of shit carved or molded in the form of humans? Are they humans at all? Because sometimes, you look at these things, you see things like these. Come out. I just want to show you something before we move on. Men start to show no, but I want to show you something. Ansana megunsa. I don't know where it went. This one. Where another MP, Onusufri Asantimemu. After Enra, as if one and a two binino, a Jimmy no one a chain no. Audience obey to me chatro akona is Ghana for you president, one for private jet, now of a commercial plane. Dubai for plane, fa Obia bin, and even a John Mahama, F4 Adia Chia, share MP way, yes, or your MP for Mensia North, share nim, or said yang, or say Suffolk Cronfo. Suffolk Cronfo will use Kumasi or that danko for, Omina said Omtie. Or say, why didn't NDC provide Ghanaians with information on the number of delegation that traveled to Japan and Singapore? Where Jimmy? Right now, they are not talking about say president for private jet too. Oma jet too say president and for private jet. I feel you almost say why any president in a core we momu ye portrin koko. They are not ready to govern with us. They are not ready to help us govern this nation. Kenenim we MP. Osha was said ye or se sofo kromfo free kumasi a we use no ho. Asofo a omo ya kromfo free kumasi nyina se no mte. Yes, so he Mensia North Otumfo area ho MPU. Nanka Otumfo MP die ka okasa nyansem. Because baby a free no asase na wo free so anasa wudi so no e ya asase a esombo e ya Mensia hwe napo kasa isa junso gu ni trim. Napo obiena no kasa isa junso kuraba sini trim isa kuraba ya junso wo mu sini trim ebiani. Afede oh okay, president and rent jet ayate. Afede why any president in a koye. And this is what they don't like. Ose Kevin did atem. Yes, where Jimmy Amedi watem. Yes. And I'm not going to tell you because of you, Obia kwasia. It is your problem, not mine. Where you kwasia. Until you see, they live a life all out of lies. The party itself, say be omo party no, omo mudi party nenim. Till date, the NPP followers and omo mudi NPP no omo mbu Ghana for the way we think, from their leadership to the last fool in the NPP. They still don't respect the intelligence of Ghanaians. Sanko fueni anu muti krum ha. Ena sebio helicopter koto wurem ewo boasi wurem. Akrofom yesi echiro ho baby. Sa wonam forma almost 2 hours to get there. Helicopter top form. Sanko asiafo etumi betina TV so ni radio so ka say an ade na helicopter de top form no. Ade ntina nipa na yakoti sa omo no. Yanye yamfa ambulance anko ho. Ade na soldier for no mko no omanfa ambulance anko. Ade na omanfa stretchers anko ho. 2 hours when you're trekking. Plane akoto in wurem too. Baby a control center na mo de track plane no. Omo nim baby a plane in potoye. We are following sound and smoke. We are all following smoke and sound. And the sound that some farmers heard, we are believing in their word. And the say, somebody smoke bini sound biya. Mumi yendi echire, nebiya no, because mudinka hu helicopter no. So it means where the helicopter is, for the 5 hours at top form no, we could not locate where the helicopter is because it has gotten off the radar. Inti hina oko for ambulance. Ako driver afa eye iwura we mu akopie ho. Ako kase for structure bra na betinitine wo ha na fa we to so. Are we insane? Actually we Jimmy. These are the kind of people we live with. These are the kind of people we live with. We live with. Oma dwene wo form omwe Jimmy. Inti wura mu wona onam from 2 hours to get to even where the location is. You need to carry a structure along. You need to carry an ambulance along. It's a crying. Jimmy phobia na adwini nkwa chire. They think shallow. Hey, MPP for me Jimmy. Who say me I don't put MPP communicators on my TV. No. Majority 99.99999 MPP communicators on my Jimmy. Their intelligence and do the level for me to put an MPP communicator on my TV. No. It is all study. I don't place NPP communicator. I don't talk about NPP communicator. Now NPP communicator ben enim nyansa was discussing. Nobody, none of them. Jimmy. Until right now, it is not about okay. You see how much here, Mahama for private jet. Into Siano, ye busahwane Mahama ne koye. Muye nine. Muye nine. They are just foolish. And you can't reason with them. Because Obia we Jimmy no ebe din se obetune natana se a reason. Ebe ya din se Obia we Jimmy. Oni ne be reason. Accra to Kumasi road kra car for ma. How long does it take for an ambulance to locate maybe a car to go bring the passengers? Accra Kumasi. The accident is here. How long does it take for us to even get those people accidentally on the highway? No? How long are we able to pick those people to the nearest hospital? Na plane a lose track. Na ato inwura doko mu a kwase be say adena ye koduru ho no ya ntwen amfre hotel for mama infrastructure ma amiambe we Jimmy munim nyansa. And may the source of the guys we lost, may their souls rest in peace. MPP for Jimmy. And before I start the show, I was saying Gunsa. Sanko Fowe. Remember? Oh, this needs to go. These guys are criminals. They are criminals. Maybe I'll be stand back and be alert. Stand back and be alert. These were the people who were planning. They wanted to kill the president. These people. The Osha read the friend is Sir Obama. His full name is Team. Get me his full name because we need to use his full name a lot. Said by his official document, we will all know his name on his official document. Team, get me his name. On these people, in the history of the Republic of Ghana, we cannot forget these criminals. These people planned. So, omeku president, omeku ne yire etwane yire ti. We cannot see them as ordinary people. Makacham somebody say Obama one ne yire ne maame no picture ba be kire mo. Ene nkwasiafo yo maka no. We need to let the world know these are suicide squad. They are mercenaries. They are killers. These people. They are killers because they were planning to kill. They said it on social media and per the police report. These are people we cannot. It is us Obama Pokwas team. Nidin ade his Nidin one Ghana card so Daniel Adumakun. Daniel Adumakun will publish his Ghana card very soon. We need to let the world know the kind of people we have in Ghana. I will say a wiase nyina ehu. Say Sam Rantiane about you away no ye wudifo. They are criminals and we should not entertain them. Daniel Adumakun aka Sir Obama Pokwase on the share red. In fact, do I have his bigger picture? Yes. Your friend Daniel Adumakun. We and my friend Sir Obama. Ni dian kasa de Daniel Adumakun. We na almost shut them plotting, planning how the president will be killed in Ghana and the president's wife. Do not forget this face. Do not forget this face. We na oko social media or the weapons. Said these are the weapons they have. They are ready to overthrow the government. And that they are ready to make sure that the government we have fought hard to bring to power, they were going to eliminate the president. His name is Daniel Adumakun, aka Sir Obama. Never forget his face. Now, these three guys are also kahono. Sa girl way any boy ya or as a bosom. Baby, be on guard. Say, Ayanaju, protect yourself. So, Anaju 8, Anaju 9. So, who are nama. We are Ghanaian, born buying. They are dangerous human beings. They can kill. And the Ghana Police Service, dangerous people less so. These are dangerous people. Plus the lady, they can kill. It is almost man table baby. Uwama najo 8, 9, 10 anajofa. Now uwama, make sure you protect yourself. They are very dangerous people. Do not underestimate their next move. Someone nam wechia, be careful, turn around. Someone nam wodechi, say uwo group muna okanwa. When you see any of these people, be very cautious. The way you tread. Make sure say sanko for way. Sa na uhu area baby. Be on guard. Omu dangerous. Ghana Police Service a catch there. They are dangerous people. Omu kunipa omu tirim. Oma kan oma no. Your president oteso Ghana ompeso omu kuno e kune yire. So these are very dangerous people. You should not underestimate them. Now, Paul Adumoch is a political criminal. We all know. This guy too is another political criminal who, at the end of the day, your management say ondi ewa Ghana Airport Company. And of course, Ghana Airport Company as the board chair, he started stealing per the OSP's statement that he is under investigation because OSP ni Jane said, or who said, now Jane Susun said, in Shishemua NHS, Paul is a criminal. So he is under criminal investigation. So per the OSP's investigations, so far, no, he sees him say, or your potential, or your criminal, or investigating, no, into OSP action de ne shemu. Say, on the fiase, na on shosha ninsemu. As we speak today, Onye clean or your political criminal on record. He has also been jailed and released. He came out to tell us to say, ahemfubi, any software to say mensa otabomo, any ahemfu akese bi o menhia, omo support krono, omo na omo de pressure to system no so. Wan kasa ahemfu keke. Ose uko menhia, impedifo omo menhia, which means otumfo se tutu ka ho. On in impedifo, and the pressure eto system no so. Emma ono Paul adomoche kromfo we ye no. Ye jijum. We are going to show all the criminals every single day on our platform. Send your Ghanaians to be very, very cautious. We don't want to be, we don't want any surprises. So this guy too is a potential, is a criminal. In fact, the special prosecutor is investigating him now as I speak. We need to let the world know the kind of people we have in Ghana. His name is Paul Adom Ochri. Paul Adom Ochri. If you don't know him, these are the kind of things he does. An old criminal, an old liar. He is another filthy liar who goes around sleeping with women and lying about it. Paul Adom Ochri.
Been a horny old girlfriend.
Okay. This looks good. Me too, sorry.
And Croydon. Stop.
Okay, so where do we go? Roller coaster. Okay, so where do we go?
It will be for 30 children, exaggerated. Some of the minister. Today, you will be able to know when the goal comes, you know what the goal is. Okay, so this is the celebrated Black Stars with their captain in the center, Andre. We wish him the best of luck. Our reporter Ibrahim will be telling us who is able to play and who is not able to play. So let's get to the details. Now, read this with me. For Ghana to gain automatic qualification, they will need to come runner-up.
So that is Paul Adom Ochri. When he was the board chair of Ghana Airport, that was what he was doing with Ghana's money. Jantre ni no fin. No kan. A dirty guy. Very dirty. Oshane sianse. Yarebia will be or diabetes or HP or BBR. That is him, Paul Adom Ochri. He's under investigation. Only the same guy at Exim Bank, Nino, Eddie Neyero Kempinski, Nawari Egu, Neyere Jimmy Jiminti, Obano Nabatana TV say, Yachim Oje Namaba, the Nisu Jimmy, our Egu, Obeka, not Sapapana Warano, or the Jimmy the whole chimpana, and Odi Paulechi. Paul Yere Jimmy Jiminti. Wakwachi Kunu, sir, Odi Obecho or Germany, Wabakrum, Wabachin will fee. Emma was so Exim Nina de Tiawato. Our Guna or Bano, Obeja Tumno, Udu Jimmy, at Facebook say, Mikru free prison. Or no, see about Jimmy for Paul, another foolish man. I am trying to let you know, as any statistician, no, you better wait the beer. You people should always know the criminals amongst us. Now, this guy, so your friend Williams Anefi Sapon, Onusu ye another hardened internet fraudster. Obiya bebaso. Obiya be hu obiya. Yemfa obiya nsie. Yemfa obiya nsie. Abrantie we so ye ewia. Chese ne kro no a wabo Ghana no. Obu nkofo fa so kromfo. Now person the President Mahamadin ekobo kro no Dubai. We your friend Williams Anefi Sapon or ye ri. Baby obese di bia bonu tutuo say wo. Ye hu oni mo TV so. Wo ye kromfo. Or ye kromfo techi amwa boatin. Ne papa nie. Juma dia brantie we di no ne papa we ne di sa juma no. Your friend Williams Anefi Sapon ne papa nie. Papa we see a kromfo papa or dia kire ne ba no no mu bu nkofo fa so e wo internet so. Abrante was sorry on kokrom or to them and or to computers no twa nkofo o bu nkofo o hia na o se o mi adwuma ha oboa kumase na ote na girl bi na hwe no and o bu girl no bedwan obehye nkran ena ne maame eboa no ma ne bu girl no ne suban no your friend Williams Anefi Sapon ne maame nie maame so a ono so ye ewi kromfo ba akopa o Ghana ono so nie yenja evidence bia behind. As we move along, we will carry all the thieves along. Send beya Ghana ye be hu akromfo mo ne yenam. Williams Anefi Sapon ne maame nie ono so ye ewi kromfo tetua mo aboatema. Papa ne aboatin. Kromfo tetua mo aboatema onie. Abrante we kobo kro no na so okobu ma na so okowia nkofo sika na maame we age ato. Enti se ye china na maame we di sika ni bia bebeli no. Mami we oye kromfo or so Ghana. Williams Anefi Sapon. Nenimnie. A very dangerous guy. A very, very dangerous boy. Very, very dangerous. Do not underestimate these kind of thieves. This is the first set I made the show. Every day they will be on my show. I will show them to you. I will let Ghana for the young people growing up to know and see the thieves amongst us. Send your bear, you bet to me, I eliminate and I say, free na or minor etime jina and also. We want to make sure, say, omones uncle for no, you be one massy woman, send your omobratie, send your bear. We will not allow our kids to even go close to these kind of pigs. It's exactly 5 p.m. in the United States of America, East Coast. It's definitely 9 p.m. in Ghana. In the next minute, you the best so you be dwam ama Ghana for ehun no kure no. Egi gim aboatwe. I'll be right back.
Yo, we are best fishermen. No no answer my aboatwe. Iwo fufu Belgium kwan. Iwa betia Belgium kwan. Ewo tuwa Belgium kwan. Why yo yeah? Why round wa? Why yo yeah? Why round wa? Why yo yeah? Why round wa? Why yo yeah? Tupuno why round wa? Ewo fufu Belgium kwan. Ewa betia Belgium kwan. Ewo tuwa Belgium kwan. Ewo tuwa Belgium kwan. Why yo yeah? Why round wa? 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 Yeah, we papa no. What one is the motto? Yeah, we papa no. What one is the motto? Yeah, we papa no. What one is the motto? Yeah, we papa no. What one is the motto? Why round wa? Why yo yeah? Why round wa? Original.